Welcome to CryptoDexWorld. Get ready to secure your funds with Security Wallet. Let's go. All right, what if I told you we have a new leader in security with wallets? Would you be interested? Well, check this one out. It is Security Wallet, and it is the first crypto wallet with chat to pay. What does that mean? You've heard of what? Play to earn? You've heard of move to earn. There's other different types of earning mechanisms out there. They're all cool, but this actually will pay you to talk. Chat to pay with good security, super fast transactions, and great DeFi pools. Plus, their native token is ready at the presale price to start staking with rewards up to 100% APY. That's been on by CoinSoul. So, if you're interested, we're going to jump into it. But before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. All right. So you can get the Telegram X. It's been on Digital Journal, Business Insider, Benzinga, Investing, and we have chat to pay. It's secure, it's quick, it's convenient, and the great thing is whether you're sending funds, whether you're talking, guess what? You could just say, hey, dude, what's up? How's it going? Security Wallets, bomb! Or, hey, check out this DeFi, or what do you think of BTC going whoop, whoop, whoop? I don't think we want to talk about that. But you get real-time messages with end-to-end encryption, and you can check out the white paper for more, but I think you can get the concept. Talk with your friends and family, just like you do. You're probably doing that on Facebook right now, Snapchat, Insta, another Discord. So do that here. They have over 1,000 cryptocurrencies that you can check out. One wallet for all your assets as well. And you get the chat to pay. Do not forget about that. You can actually see the UI with buy, store, send. You can pick the network right here. And this is the cool thing. You can buy all your favorite cryptos. You can store them right here with all the information. Send them out just like you normally would with any wallet. And it has multi-networks, so you can do BNB, Sol, Tron, Cardano, whatever it is you like. They have the trending cryptocurrencies here based on that network. And you can find, if you're looking for something else, you can find it here, discover. You know, you heard that this is going to be the next crypto. Of course, don't forget, you're not in DeFi if you don't swap the pair, right? Receive. So you've seen all this before, but here's the chat. Now the chat and transact is in one place, and you get the chat to earn, which is really cool. It's integrated with the security wallet here, so you can talk to your buddies, be like, bro, Doge is really cool, or whatever it is. And you can pick your username here to talk. Now, as I always say, it's not your crypto if it's not your keys. If you just leave your crypto on an exchange, it's really not your crypto. You also have biometric authentication because you want to keep it safe. Sometimes two-factor, they can get past it. You can enhance your wallet's protection, use your fingerprint, facial recognition. Security makes crypto accessible to everyone, where you earn real-time rewards up to 100% APY. Real-time earnings, flexible, high APY, fully non-custodial, and a great experience. You get early access to new projects as well as the benefits, higher staking, reduced transaction fees. Now, how do you buy? I'll be doing a demonstration, but it's simple. You want to get a Web3 wallet, MetaMask, Phantom, Soulflare, whatever it is. If you don't have a wallet, try Trust, Best, MetaMask, it's all there. Then you can participate in the pre-sale, the amount you want, buy and confirm, and you can stake, or you could do it with traditional means with card, crypto, or your browser. And we have standout features with SEC, the tokenomics here, with marketing, exchange, ecosystem, staking, pre-sale, team, all right here. We've got big plans for the user research, multi-chain, UX, forum key blockchains, build core, design mess like UI, AML, internal audits, and run the closed beta. So we have the security wallet, the SEC token, and the vesting period here, as well as you can get it on all of your favorite mobile platforms. So you come here at how to buy, but how do we buy? We come here and then we want to go ahead and change it, pick our network, pick our currency, then we'll pick what we want to pay with. All right, so how do we buy it? That's the big question. So first what we want to do is come here and click on Connect Wallet. Then you'll see wallets like this, such as MetaMask installed. We can click on that, and then we simply go ahead and click Connect. So that's the first part. We can see it's connecting, and how will we know if it connected? We can see the staking, the APY, all that type of stuff. So then we'll just come to Solana, we'll come to USDT, and we can just put in the amount that we want. So I can put a certain amount. We have MetaMask, and then we pick USDT right here. And that's all we need to do. Now, you need to make sure of two things: that you have a sufficient balance of Solana right here, and that you have enough USDT, as we can see that here. So that's one way you can do it. You can also do it completely with Solana, with the chain here, and click Buy Now. After we hit Buy Now, we simply click on Confirm, and that's all we have to do. Then it'll go ahead and load, and you'll see your SEC here. We can see we have the SEC. We've purchased it here, and we're good to go. Purchase successful. Thank you. All right, guys, and last but not least, we can find Secury Wallet right here, the next-gen multi-chain, chat to pay, advanced security. You've seen all the awesome stuff, how to get in. You also saw us enter the bonus code, so make sure to do that. The awesome referral program and everything, plus smart contracts. I'm super excited for this wallet, and I hope you are too. We're taking DeFi to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and catch you in the next one.